What is our solar system? The solar system, that is our home and where we live in. Now, there are three classes of objects in our solar system. Number 1 are stars. Number 2, planets. And number 3, dwarf planets. So yes, and in our solar system, we have a star, and it's called the sun. So now, our sun can do two things. The first and most important is to keep every planet's orbit together. So yeah, this is because our sun has a gravitational force. What this means is an object or a planet can orbit around the sun. So yes, that is the first job of our sun, because if it wasn't big enough, then our Earth would just be floating into the abyss of space. So yes, the second job is a benefit for us humans and not like the whole solar system. So this is our second job of the sun. So it's a ball of fire and it's amazingly hot. And it's believed that the core of the sun is 15 million degrees Celsius or 27 million Fahrenheit. Okay, but let's just get back to the main second job. So, yeah, the second job is that it's hot, the sun. It keeps us people, alive. So, yeah, if the sun wasn't hot enough, we would freeze to death. What you need to take into account before we get into the planets are that there are 3 types of planets. So, the first types of planets are the first 4 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are known as rocky planets because their surface is made of rock. And now these are the gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This means their surface is made of gas. The final 2 planets are ice giants, as they are also gas giants though. Uranus and Neptune. So yes, they are also ice giants. Anyway, now we know the types of planets, so let's see the first planet. It's called Mercury. Okay, so the beginning, Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. And if you didn't know, 1 day on Earth is 176 days on Mercury. This is because Mercury rotates slower than Earth. And that it's closest to the sun, the daytime is really hot, 450 degrees Celsius or 800 Fahrenheit. And nighttime is really chilly, as the nighttime is negative 180 degrees Celsius or negative 290 Fahrenheit. Okay, now let's move on to the second planet, Venus. So yes, this is Venus, and its daytimes are really hot, as 900 Fahrenheit or 475 degrees Celsius. That's even hotter than Mercury, and it's farther away from the sun. And the day on Venus can be 243 days. And yes, now let's move on to the third planet, Earth, our home. Okay, so on Earth, there is life as we live in it. 1 day is 24 hours, which is counted as a normal day. And what is really cool is our Earth is just in the Goldilocks zone. The Goldilocks zone is the distance from the sun and, the Earth in the Goldilocks zone. So the Earth, which means the water is a suitable temperature, which we can actually drink and use. Now, this is like our moon. So you can either call it the moon or its scientific name known as Luna. Okay, now let's go to our fourth planet, Mars. And yeah, if you can see from this picture, Mars looks very hot, but actually, it literally is negative 85 Fahrenheit or negative 65 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's go on to our first gas giant, Jupiter. And I have a lot of facts for you. Okay, so Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, and it's so big that it can fit all the planets in the solar system inside of it. And as you can see on Jupiter, there is this red dot, and the red dot is actually a storm that is literally bigger than Earth. Okay, now we're on the 6th planet, which is Saturn. So yes, this is a picture of Saturn, and what I think is coolest about it is look at its rings. 2 more facts about Saturn's rings are that their rings are made of icy moons that they had, which basically collided, and they are losing their wings because it is weakening. Okay, now let's move on to the planet Uranus. So, our planet Uranus has its rings, but it looks like it is tilted. But in Uranus's magnetic field, it has a high amount of radiation, which means basically a human that goes on there, or any life form, would die to radiation because, well, it's radiated. And our 8th planet, Neptune. So, first of all, Neptune has a nickname called the Blue Giant because it is a blue giant. And did you know it would take about 18 years to travel on a rocket from Earth to Neptune? But on this solar system picture, there's a little secret. Okay, yeah, I'm just kidding. There is no secret because it's not on the solar system. But this is a dwarf planet called Pluto. And what must I say? Why is it a dwarf planet? Well, for starters, it used to be a planet, but it was extremely small, so humans, changed it from being a planet to a dwarf planet. And, well, basically, it's the furthest planet, from the sun, which we, 100% know about. If you like seeing this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!